Make money online selling digital products for affiliate marketing. Use AI to make faceless YouTube videos, online courses, blog posts, and ebooks in minutes. Use automated marketing to make $18,000 per month in passive income.
Welcome to your first step towards financial freedom. Like many people, I used to struggle with my finances. I was just scraping by, barely making ends meet, living paycheck to paycheck. Within the same week, my car broke down, my landlord raised my rent, and I got fired from my job. I was about to throw in the towel and move back in with my parents, till everything changed when I met a Buddhist monk. It was June 21st, 1991. On a whim, I attended a free meditation seminar at the Fairmont Hotel in San Francisco. There, this aged monk said, spiritual liberation requires financial freedom. He said, in the East, this was done by giving up all of your money and becoming a monk. In the West, it should be achieved by making so much money that you are free of any worry and complication. Within 10 days, I had created my first passive revenue stream, making $3,000 a week. And from there, 6 months later, I was making over $100,000 a week to what I have for you today. And this is my method for creating passive revenue streams in just a few hours. Achieving this without a big investment, without risky schemes, I am sharing a simple method for creating turnkey passive income. And I'm bringing this to you because I want you to have financial freedom. My name is Ajahn Sambara, and I'm a Buddhist teacher. And don't worry, you didn't accidentally click the wrong video. I ran a multi-million-dollar company for 24 years, showing thousands of people how to make passive incomes by doing what I'm going to share with you today. This is all from my book that gives you a step-by-step action plan for success. So subscribe now and click on my course link in the description. I will give you a free copy of my book.
Subscribe now and check out an example of a video used in an online course that makes $18,000 per month in passive income. This video demonstrates high-quality, high-value content that effectively teaches people how to make money. And using AI, this video was created in just a few minutes. Now ebooks, blogs, and your own faceless YouTube channel and online courses are within your grasp. Here's the video. YouTube Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. Unlocking Potential with Roundup Videos. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of YouTube affiliate marketing? One of the most engaging and profitable strategies you can adopt as a beginner is creating Roundup videos. These are not just any videos. They are your gateway to influencing purchasing decisions and boosting your affiliate earnings. Let's explore how you can harness the power of Roundup videos like monthly favorites and potentially make a significant income. Why Roundup videos work? Roundup videos are essentially compilations where you present a variety of products, often themed around favorites or best of selections. These videos are incredibly effective because they can trigger impulse buys. In fact, studies show that 89% of viewers are influenced by video content when making purchases. That's a massive audience ready to be swayed by your content. The appeal of variety. What makes Roundup videos particularly appealing is their variety. They cater to a wide range of interests within your audience. For example, a tech roundup might include the latest smartphone, a must-have gadget for the home office, and a trendy pair of wireless earbuds. This variety is key in attracting viewers who may not be actively looking to buy but could be persuaded upon seeing the range of products you showcase. How to make successful Roundup videos. Choose a theme. Start by selecting a theme that resonates with your audience and fits your niche. For instance, if you're into tech, a Top Tech Gadgets of the Month theme would be perfect. Select products carefully. Pick products that are popular, trending, or have unique features that stand out. Research to ensure you're showcasing the best. Create engaging content. Your video should be more than just a list. Share personal experiences, demonstrate how you use the products, and why they made it to your favorites. Strategic placement of affiliate links. Make sure to include your affiliate links in the video description. Be transparent with your audience that these are affiliate links. Here's an example of success. Sarah, a new YouTuber who focused on beauty product roundup videos. Sarah created a monthly beauty favorites series. In her videos, she showcased a mix of skincare products, makeup, and beauty tools. She shared her experiences with each product, giving viewers an honest review. Sarah strategically placed affiliate links for each product in her video descriptions. In her first month, her video garnered 50,000 views with a center of 4%. With an average conversion rate of 2% and a commission rate of 5%, Sarah was able to make around $2,000 just from one video. As she continued her series, her following grew, and by the end of her third month, she had made a total of $6,000. If you're just starting, remember that success in affiliate marketing takes time and consistency. Your first video might not make thousands, but with persistence and by understanding your audience's preferences, you'll see growth. Roundup videos are a fantastic way for beginners to step into the world of YouTube affiliate marketing. They offer an engaging way to showcase products and have the potential to significantly boost your affiliate income. Start small, stay consistent, and soon you become a successful YouTube affiliate marketer.
I hope you enjoyed that video. The information in the video is great. It was informative, it offered a way for making money, and it gave actionable steps. This is what everyone is looking for, a practical guide telling you how to make money. My way for turnkey passive income is this: selling information products to people who are interested in ways of making money, such as someone who would click on this video. Each passive income stream makes me $18,000 per month, and it only takes a few hours to set up. So subscribe now and click the course link in the description below, and then you can learn about the courses. It's really a workshop, and it's free, and I'll also send you my ebook.
For more information on this and related subjects, check out our blog. Don't miss out. Take the free course and create a passive income stream today. And join our Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded people elevating their personal finances where you can get practical advice, tips, and strategies. The links are down below in the description.